Lesson 5, Monarja the Posh, back exercise. Continuing with question number 4. In this question, you have to correct the given false words. Okay? Mes amis allons toujours à la restaurant. Now you can see what is written here. What is the false word which you have to correct? Mes amis is correct. So we'll be writing mes amis, my friends, and it's not alo, it's vont. आलेर वर्ब में प्लूरल के साथ वो आता है, ठीक है? mes amis vont toujours à la restaurant नहीं होता, it's au restaurant because restaurant is masculine, not feminine. What is the change here? We have changed the verb, conjugation, and the article. Okay. My friends always go to the restaurant. B part, je reçois ₹500 par mois. It's je reçois, R-E-C-O-I-S, reçois, then ₹500 par mois. Rest all is correct. So the changed word is reçois. The conjugation of the word was wrong. C part, I receive 500 per month. Ne tu prends pas ce autobus. Ne tu prends with an S, pas, and it's cet autobus. Because autobus is a masculine and vowel. So with masculine vowel, adjective demonstrative CET is placed, and prawn with prawn S will be placed because it is conjugating with tu. Do not take this bus. B part, elle invite tous les amis. Elle invite. It's not invitant with L in ER ending verb, it's E. Elle invite tous les amis with an S. She invited all her friends, invite and amis with an S. And the last part, fait Paul ses devoirs à l'heure. It's F-A-I-T, not F-A-I-S, because with il and L, it's F-A-I-T. Paul is il, that is masculine. Fait Paul ses devoirs, it's A-L apostrophe, because it is H is a vowel. Is Paul doing his homework? So I have underlined the changed word, which is need to be corrected. Okay. Okay, now continuing with fifth question, you have to place the given jumble words in order and make a correct sentence, meaningful sentence. How you are going to do this? First of all, find the subject. What is the subject? Then find the verb. Then find the object. And if it is in negation, if no and pa is given, so firstly you'll be writing subject, then negation, then verb, then pa, and then object. So the object will be less. It will be 3 or 4 words left after this that you can arrange it. Okay. First part, first it's il. Il is my subject. I is my verb. Il y a. Now I'm talking about flowers here. Il y a the belle fleur dans ce jardin. There are beautiful flowers in the garden. Next, my subject is je and my verb is avoir et j'ai beaucoup de choses. J'ai beaucoup de choses dans mon sac. I have a lot of things in my bag. Next, you can see it's the second form of interrogation and est-ce is given. So first of all, you are going to place est-ce, then find the subject. Tu, then find the verb, parse. Est-ce que tu parses? What is left? Pour le Canada. So this way you'll be easy to write. Okay? Next is just find the subject. What is the subject here in the D part? It is tu. Now it's written du café tu noir. Tu is the subject. Very good. You can write the answers in the chat box. Okay. Tu is the subject. And what is the verb? Verb. Vouloir is the verb. Tu were du café noir ou. You can see there are two cafe in this and two du. Two du and two cafe is there. Tu were du café noir. So here you are having a choice for the question that you are asking this from somebody that you want black coffee ou café avec du lait or coffee with milk. Café avec du lait and question mark. This is an interrogation. Okay. Tu were du café noir ou café avec du lait. Clear everyone? Here also du will come. Oh, du café avec du lait. 3 du are there. Okay? So first of all, subject is tu, verb is verb. And here there is a question, there is an option that you want black coffee or coffee with milk. Clear? E part and the last part is feu rouge devant voiture rouge la s'arrête le. So my subject is here. What is the subject? La voiture. I'm talking about car. Okay, la is my article. La voiture. La voiture. Verb is arrêter and it's a pronominal verb because S apostrophe is also given. La voiture s'arrête. La voiture s'arrête devant is my preposition. Le feu rouge, the red light. So this means the car stopped in front of red light. Le feu rouge is red light and arrêter is the verb that means to stop. Clear? I'm going to read this once and please listen to the pronunciation. Il y a de belles fleurs dans ce jardin. J'ai beaucoup de choses dans mon sac. Est-ce que tu pars pour le Canada? Tu veux du café noir ou du café avec du lait? Last is la voiture s'arrête devant le feu rouge. Question 6. Vous êtes Alexandre, écrivez une lettre à votre père en décrivant comment vous gagnez votre argent de poche. In this chapter, we have learned about a boy. We have studied about a boy who used to earn his pocket money by himself by doing small work. As what work he do? He used to take care of the children. He used to wash the car. And sometimes he used to take care of the house and he do some of the household work also. So you have to write a letter. You live somewhere else and you have to write a letter to your father. You are Alexander, that how you are earning your pocket money. Yes, Papa. And here, first of all, on the top right corner, you have to write the place, that is Lyon. And the date, place, comma, date. Lyon, today is 19th August. Okay. Lyon, 19 August, dear father. And then you are going to continue with the letter writing. This is your format. Je vais bien. J'espère que vous avez bien aussi. pour gagner mon argent de poche, je fais de petits boulots comme j'enseigne les enfants je vais bien, j'espère que vous avez bien aussi. Pour gagner mon argent de poche, je fais de petits boulots comme j'enseigne les enfants, je garde les enfants et quelquefois je fais les tâches ménagères. Je fais ça pour devenir indépendant. Au revoir, B.C. Alexandre. First of all, this is the format. First of all, you're going to write the date and the place at the top right corner, then dear father, and then the body of the letter. At the end, you are going to write bye. B.C. is when you express love to someone, and the sender's name. You are Alexander. It's written in the question that you are Alexander, so you are the sender. And here you are going to write your name. Clear? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. For earning the pocket money, I do small work like I teach the children, I take care of the children, and sometimes I do household work. I do this to become independent. Okay, bye. Be safe. Love from Alexander.